Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rai Mukherjee and I'm so glad that you could join. I do videos on lifestyle, makeup and fashion. So if any of these things interest you, then I would highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, is an Urbanic haul. So I got a lot of stuff from Urbanic and these are mostly winter wear, but I do have a couple of other stuff which I'm going to show you in the video. So if you're interested in this, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so one more thing before I get started on the video is about my sizes. So I am a mid-size person, so I lie between size 12 to 14 and I'm also pear-shaped, which means that my lower body is bigger than my upper body. So I generally buy LXL when I'm buying lowers, but when I'm purchasing tops or t-shirts or anything for the upper body, I mostly stick to medium. Well, don't even get me started on the struggle I have to face when I'm buying jumpsuits or dresses. We'll get into that later. There's plenty of time for us to hang out. So, okay, now let's go into the things that I purchased. So guys, this is the first sweater that I purchased. So this is a mustardy earthy tone high neck sweater. It's very warm, it's very thick, and it has a crochet kind of design, if you can see. It does have holes, so I would recommend that you wear something inside when you wear this. So I wore it in Kolkata winters and well, it kept me very comfortable and I'm very happy with this. I'm going to put clips on this side or this side so you can see how does it look when I am wearing them. So it's a try on clip. So this is the second sweater and this is the neck. I love the design here. And I'm just living for this ombre effect, you know, this white light orange, and then as it is going down, it is becoming darker orange. So I love it. It's very fresh and it's just very, you know, like bright, and I just love this tone. And this is how the arms look. This is kind of balloon arms, but it's not very exaggerated, but at the same time it's very pretty. Before I go into the third one, all of these sweaters are called Simplicity Pullover sweater. So it's not going to make your search very easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the links in the description box, and I'm also going to mention all the prices on the screen, the actual price and the discounted price, because I purchased this when a sale was going on. So yeah, now let's go on to the next piece. So this is an icy gray kind of a slightly slouched off shoulder sweater. It's not very thick. I don't think it's going to work for very cold winters, but well, if you want to make a statement in very light winters, I think this is your thing. This is your baby, and this is how it looks. I really like the off shoulder thing, and the arms are. This is how the arms are. I'm just living for these tones. These tones are so beautiful. This icy grey, the mustard, the bright orange, and I really like how they're just these are like one of those few pieces which you add to your wardrobe, and you can wear them and you can pair them with so many things. So guys, the next piece is this plaid jacket. This is very warm, and I love the design. And this is, if I have to pick a favorite, I'm going to pick this out. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I have worn it a couple of times, and this is very warm. So it's on the style quotient, and on the warmth quotient, it's just A1. So if you love styling videos and you really want to watch me how I style these videos, then I would also recommend that let's be friends on Instagram. I'll leave the link below in the description box, and you can join me on my Instagram, and there I post regular fashion content and makeup content. So you can definitely see how I style these. These pieces are so versatile that if you have few of these, you can make n number of outfits with these sweaters for the winter. This is the teddy jacket. Well, I will not be able to show you, or I'm not doing any justice to this beautiful piece by showing it to you like this. So please, you can check the try on. And this is really, really pretty. So I really like this color. It is very subtle. As you can see, it's very subtle, and you can pair it with so many things, and this can be quite a winter statement. But I have not really tried it on. I feel that it's not going to be very, very warm, but again, if you want to make a statement in winters, you can layer it on top of your sweaters or on top of your other jackets, and this will be an amazing addition to your outfit. So we are done with the winter wear. Now moving on to the next two items, which are lowers. So the first one is this tie-dye beautiful jogger. I am loving this print, this tutti frutti kind of feeling. So thanks to COVID and quarantine, we are like so in love with joggers now that even if you have to go out, putting on a jeans is like, oh my god, like that helps us decide that we want to go out or we don't want to go out, right? So even if you have to go out for some emergency or any important work, well, you can still be in the comfort of your joggers. So these are really, these are really trending right now, and I don't think the trend of joggers is going to go anytime soon. So I'm here for it and I'm loving it. So now going into the material, this is the elastic strap, and I got this in a size L. I'm so sorry, I did not mention the name. Yeah, the name is Simplicity Sweatpants, and the size is L, and the band is pretty thick. And the material is also thick, so in the winters I think this is going to help you stay warm slightly. And this is really baggy on me, and I am loving this trend. The last item of the haul, so we have come to an end to this haul. So let's end it with this beautiful salmon pink jogger. They have a thick band here, and this material is not stretchable, so sadly it did not fit me, although it's a size L. So well, you need to keep on a lookout for the material. Like if it's stretchable, then it's good, or if it's baggy, then it's going to fit you better. But this one sadly did not fit me, and well, if I lose weight, I'm going to definitely wear it. So but then it's a bit tight on me, so I am not going to wear it for now, so you won't be able to see the try-on clip. But however, I'm going to add the photo from the website so that you get an idea. So we've come to the end of this video, and I would like to conclude this video by sharing my honest opinion about Urbanic and my experience. So I would like to start with the pros. The pros are that the clothes are very much on trend, like the mustardy tone, the earthy tones, the plaid, the teddy jacket, all these, and not to forget the tie-dye joggers. So they are very much on trend, and I really appreciate that. Because I'm always looking for these trendy outfits. And secondly, the material is good. They are warm, and although the sizes were a bit baggy on me, but I'm totally okay with it, because winter wear is something which I do not want to be very body hugging or body fitting. Now moving on to the cons. The cons is that I received the product a little late. Like I ordered on 29th December and I received it on 17th Jan. This entire tenure there was like there was nobody, there were no notifications sent to me as a consumer, so I had to reach out to them via the chat option, and that's when they triggered something internally, and then the updates started popping up on my app. So prior to that there was no updates for a good amount of time. So I would say that is the con. And the delivery is a bit long, but I guess if you're mentally prepared for it, when you know that it will not be reaching you before 20 days or so, 19-20 days or so, then I think that's okay. So those are my thoughts about Urbanic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts about it, and also your experience with Urbanic. Have you shopped from Urbanic, or do you think it is a replacement of Shein in India? With this I end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out, and see you in the next one. Bye!